Hey everyone, welcome back to Panel Wall Art, and today we're going to talk about how to choose your wall art based on interior style. Selecting wall art by style is personal, and it's also the most natural method. Styles to use including brightly colored furniture, antique pieces, or a boho look. You can make a decision based on what you like after thinking of wall size and color. Choose pieces that match the style of the room. This includes furniture that you already have. Invest in set of panels. You can also try small pieces or mini ones. They would look great above windows or beside doors. Get one significant or oversized piece. You can hang them in hallways or in empty dining room halls. Use simple neutral frames to emphasize style. Try matching and mixing. Add wooden art or metal signs. If you're going to add words, use no more than 3. Give us a like if these help out a little bit, and tell us what you think in the comments below. Also ring that notification bell to stay updated. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!